with Abby, Kathy, and Joseph!
Okay, so today guys, we are going to show you how to solve quadratic equations with the use of factoring. As you can see, we have two examples that we are going to discuss. Let's start with example A. As you can see, example A is equated to 0. So what you need to do is find the factors of x squared and 14. The factors of x squared are x times x. Easy, huh? As for 14, we have 4 factors, which are 1 times 14, negative 1 times negative 14, 2 times 7, and negative 2 times negative 7. So what you need to do to know what is the correct factor for this problem, you need to find what factor of 14 that if you add it, the answer will be negative 9. So let's start with 1 times 14. 1 times 14 is the factor of 14, so let's add 1 plus 14 equals 15, so it's not the correct one. Next, we have negative 1 times negative 14. Negative 1 plus negative 14 is negative 15, which is also wrong one. 2 times 7 is also a factor, so 2 plus 7 equals 9. We're almost there, but it's not negative. So negative 2 plus negative 7 equals negative 9. So this factor is the correct one. So we put negative 2 here and negative 7. Okay, what you gonna do next to know if you got the correct factor? You must use cross multiplying. Okay, x times negative 2 equals negative 2x, and x times negative 7 equals negative 7x. If you add it, sum will be negative 9x. So the factor you got is correct. Okay, what will you do next is equate these factors into 0. Okay. Okay, so what will you gonna do is transpose negative 7 and negative 2 on the other side. So the answer will be 2 and 7.
Now let's go to example B. In this example, as we may see, it is equated into 3, not 0. So we are going to transpose 3 to the left side. 2x squared minus 5x, and since we are going to transpose 3 right here, we are going to change its sign to negative. Okay. The next thing is finding the factors. For 2x squared, it's 2x and x. For negative 3, we have negative 3 times 1 and negative 1 times 3. So, first, we are going to play negative 3 and positive 1. Then, cross multiply. 2x times 1, 2x, negative 3 times x, negative 3x. We're going to add them. This is not the answer. Then we're going to change its sign. 3 is positive and 1 is negative. So negative 2x and positive 3x. If we're going to add them, the answer is x. So this is also not the answer. In this case, we are using trial and error until we finally get the correct answer. Next, we will try putting 3 here and 1 here. So negative 1, positive 3. 2x times 3 equals 6x. X times negative 1 equals negative x. The answer is positive 5. We are looking for negative 5, not positive 5. So another one. 2x minus times negative 3, negative 6x, x times positive 1 equals x. Negative 6x plus x equals negative 5x. Now we have the correct factors. And the factors are 2x plus 1 and x minus 3. Now we are going to equate both of these into 0. So it's 0, 0. 2x plus 1 equals 0. We're going to transpose 1 to the right side and leave 2x here. It will be negative 1. And since x has a number beside it, we are going to divide them both sides by that number, which is 2. So divide both sides by 2. This will get cancelled out and the answer will be negative 1/2. In the other root, we are going to just transpose 3 here, negative 3 here, and will be positive 3. So the final answer would be negative 1/2 and positive 3.
Now solve it yourself. This is the answer to the equation. First, we must transpose 12 to the left side of the equation. Now it will become negative 12. To solve the equation, we have to get the factors of the first term and the last term. The factors of x squared are x times x. Well, the factors of negative 12 are negative 12 times 1, negative 1 times 12, negative 6 times 2, negative 2 times 6, negative 4 times 3, negative 3 times 4. What we will do here is trial and error. First, let's try negative 12 times 1. But then as we can see, it's the wrong. It's the wrong one.
Next, let's try negative 6 and positive 2. Is negative 4 the answer? Yes, it is. So, now we know what our factors are.
The factors are x minus 6 and x plus 2. Now we will equate them to 0. Transpose negative 6 to the right side as well as the positive 2.
Now we have the answers, and the answers are 6 and negative 2. Did you get the same answers? If you did, then you did a correct job. If you didn't, well, try again next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.